Last video I show you how to use the Android pad to connect Minimix and share the internet. In this video, I want to show you how to open a web server. You can see now we use the USB cable connect the Minimix and share the internet to Minimix. And we can go to the setting and network and check the IP address is the list. Okay, 192.168.68.116. Okay, this is the IP address, and we can just go to the web page and enter this address 192.168.68.116 and go. Yeah, you can see now the control page is shown on this pad, and you can go to switch a lot of things like this.